Hinahanap mo ba ang kahulugan sa iyong buhay? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkape't pandasal. Have you ever found yourself searching for something deeper in life, feeling like there's more to your existence than the daily grind? Jesus' encounter with a Samaritan woman offers a powerful reminder of this quest for meaning through the metaphor of living water. This concept symbolizes a source of spiritual fulfillment that resonates with many of us seeking a more profound connection. Ang pagbabago po at pagkukusang ibahagi ng Samaritana ang kanyang karanasan kay Kristo ay nagdudulot ng pag-asa sa mga taong nangangailangan ng katatagan sa buhay. Lahat ay tanggap, maging sino man tayo. Thus, her story illustrates how personal journeys can inspire and uplift others, reminding us that our experiences do matter. As we reflect on this encounter, let's commit to seeking deeper meaning in our lives. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, matuklasan nawa namin ang mga pangangailangang pang-espiritual upang lumago ang aming pakikipagkapwa. Amen.